Okay, I'm recording this video because I didn't know this before I bought this lock, and it would have been a lot easier if I had, because then I wouldn't have had to buy the whole door it was installed in. Here's how to get a Euro cylinder out of its installation in the door. It'll be inserted into a hole that fits this shape, and it won't be able to come out because of the actuator. You'll need to remove the knob or whatever, the thumb turn on this side. This was already not attached to this when I showed up at the door. Anyway, once that's gone, you'll reveal this slot. Inside of that slot is a little spring-loaded pin that has like a little ridge in it. And so if you grab that and pull it away, you can turn the thumb turn so that the actuator vanishes into there, and then the whole thing comes out of the door. This can be I assume there's probably a way to get it out from the other side too, but this is a way to do it from the inside of the door, so you can't, this isn't like a security flaw as this side of it is on the inside of the locked door when you do this. It also just slips back when you turn it back around, and so it's, yeah. Anyway, I didn't know that when I bought this lock, so I had to buy a whole door to get the lock. Now you don't have to. Have fun. Don't pick locks that aren't yours.